Introducing the Samsonite Freeform 28-inch large luggage, the perfect travel companion for anyone in need of a reliable checked suitcase. This stylish navy suitcase is designed with dual 360-degree spinner wheels, making it a breeze to navigate through busy airports or train stations. Constructed from lightweight and durable polypropylene, this hardshell luggage is not only built to last but also expandable, giving you extra room for souvenirs or shopping finds. The built-in TSA lock ensures your belongings stay secure during your travels, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Imagine this: you're heading to the airport for that long-awaited vacation, effortlessly pulling your Samsonite Freeform 28-inch large luggage behind you as you glide through the terminal. As you wait in line to check in, you breeze through security with ease, thanks to the TSA lock. So why wait? Upgrade your travel experience with the Samsonite Freeform 28-inch large luggage today and travel smarter, lighter, and in style. Order now and start planning your next adventure with the perfect travel companion by your side.